What's up, everybody? Bo is here. Welcome to the final episode of this van build series. So, what I'm doing here is I'm creating an aluminum base for our seat in the front area right here. This seat also converts into a bed. It's gonna go like this. Okay, it's gonna be like so. So it has a walk-through right here from the driver to the front, and it's gonna be another cushion that covers this whole area. So in the middle it's gonna be removable. 24 inches by like 67 inches. So you know you can sleep a person if you are 5 feet 5. Like me, I fit here. So I'm gonna make another support right here, and then we can leave down here just empty like that, because the sliding door comes, and there's a stopper for the sliding door that's gonna be going through here like this. So we don't want anything to block right here. It's gonna be a 4 inches cushion on the top. So, and it's all removable. That way we can use this space here for storage, and also on that side you can see the frames are ready to go. So I'm gonna bolt it down to through our floor to secure it, and then build the foam to fit it. So can't wait to see that, how it's gonna go. Yep, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I added one support on this side, so leave it this spot here for the stopper, the door stopper, and then on the inside 90-degree angles, and 4 of them with this is 10mm hex screw, and then 1.25 inches through the floor. There we go. This thing is not going anywhere. You can sit on it on this side. Oh man, it's super strong. So just for the test, let's see. So this is gonna be our cushion right here. Let's say somebody wants to sit right here. Woo! Super strong, man. All right, nice. At least we can like kick back over here, you know, or 2 people can sit here with a lunch table right here, and that bed drops over. It's gonna be up to here. Oh, this is perfect for sharing. That's like a 4 people dining area. Very nice. Alright, now that I have all my wood pieces cut, it's time to staple the seat. For our cushion, I'm doing the best as I can. I'm using, this is a 1/2 inch plywood and 4 inches high density foam inside. I cut and leave it a little bit overhang, so that when you pull it tight, it's not a square on the top. You would see like curve like that, right? So I'm using this vinyl. This is vinyl. That way it's easy to clean. It was given by a friend a while ago. We got plenty of these. So it's light gray color. It's smooth top, very soft, easy to clean. that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm applying 1.5, about 1.5 inches each staple, half-inch staple. So let's see, it's gonna look like that from the top. There, a lot of staples. So it's not the best out there, but I think it's gonna do the job. For sure it's gonna last with all these staples. Let's take a look. I don't get the, you know, perfect curve here around it there, but I think this is gonna be okay. Let's go try it on. Alright, let's see which side. Oh, yes. Here we go. Okay, and then we're gonna have the side over here. Yeah, I think it's good. It's tight, really smooth. All right, one down, 2 more to go. Today I'm doing the last piece of our cushion. So to get the bottom straight, what I did was I draw the line. You can see kind of line right here, just to guide us, you know, a straight line when you fold it back here. And the side, you don't have to pull it hard, just make sure it is straight. But the second side is where you want to pull as hard as you can so that it's tight. And what I do now is, once it's straight, one staple. This one I put a lot more staples because this is a removable the center piece, so it is the one that always be removed. Want to make sure it lasts, it doesn't rip that easy. See, all right. For the end parts, first I fold it this way and then staple it here so I can have a nice corner here, and then fold this in and then just pull it up like that. So this is how it's gonna look like, the corner, and that's how I do it. Okay, that way it's tight. And now I want to make sure start my staple from here. There. Now let's see. How about that? Huh? Tight. Rounded corner. Oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, this van is pronounced done. Alright, check this out. So this is what I did. You got an enclosure right here, right? Extra storage here. So take a look at this. This is how I do it, the middle part. So one this side, and got the extra lift right here for the center, for the middle. And then one more seat over here, and see how I put the leg right here, a stopper, so it doesn't slide back and forth. And then right there, okay. And then the center part, which 19 inches wide, you can walk through here, right? Very easy to walk through here. Or you can put a foldable chair right here, or you can convert it into a bed like that. I'll show you in a minute. But while it's out of the way, you can put it over here, and you can sit down, make it as your backrest. You want to take a nap, this fits, should fit there. Okay, it fits tight, so 68 inches here. All right, 5'6", so it fits me nicely. And then close the door, I have about 1.5 inch gap right here. So all right, that's it. I hope this video gives you a lot of information, you learn something from it. And thank you so much for watching. Maybe I'll just do a quick tour of this van, how everything goes in a bit. So I'm done with this video. If you have been following me on this build, thank you so much for staying till the end. We're gonna bring in one more van, and then just a partial build, and then I'm going to take some rest after that. It's summertime, it's time to travel, time to go fishing, and that's it. This is Bo. Bye for now.